we have the Nossa Familia Teodoros Italian roast. I went with this one because it is a bestseller on the website, and it's also Italian roast, which is one of my personal favorites. I am also Italian. But anyway, the pack design of this is pretty nice. You know, it has all the information on the front. The origin's Brazil. The farm is Our Family's Farms. Namesake uncle. Notes are full body with flavors of cocoa and roasted nuts. It's a medium dark roast, whole bean coffee. It gives a certification on the side. On the back is a little bit of the history of the company. And then what I like is on the side it has the family recipe, which is telling you how to actually brew it, which is a great recommendation because of how many different coffees there are, and especially if you're newer to start to roasting your own, you know, getting these roasted beans, it's good to kind of have a guidance, but obviously you can tweak it later on if you want. But, you know, as far as it goes, when I first smelled these beans, they smell great. It's very, I could smell the cocoa and the nuttiness. It smells very earthy to me. It smells good. It smells really, really good. But I mean, it doesn't matter about the smell until you actually taste the coffee itself. So, gonna taste it right now. Wow, that's a good cup of coffee. That taste, even though it has more, to me it has more of a dark roast taste. I always like to have my coffee black. It has more of a dark roast taste, even though it says medium to dark. It just tastes very balanced. It has that Italian roast taste. Doesn't taste bitter, doesn't taste too acidic to me. It just tastes really good. It still has that earthy kind of woody pine sort of taste to it. I'm not a professional coffee reviewer. I'm just going from my own knowledge of just loving coffee, but I like that. That's a great cup of coffee. I definitely recommend that. That's definitely quality. I noticed that because I've had other Italian roasts, you know, going to Starbucks or even going to the store, going to like you know, Walmart and getting the Italian roast. That's way better quality. And I think with Nossa Familia coffee, you know, I think this bag is around $12 to $14, and you get free shipping after a certain amount. So this is definitely worth buying, in my opinion. But like with anything, the best beans is totally subjective. So if you are interested in trying out this coffee, please check out the links below. And if you found this video useful at all, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.